One of the things I had to learn, and I learned through pain, that everybody that says they love you, they don't always love you. They love what they can get out of you. They love your loyalty. They love your commitment to them. They love what you bring to the table. You ever had someone to tell you that they love you, but their actions told you something completely different, a completely different story? They said the right words, they looked the part, but something deep inside of you always knew it wasn't real love, it was convenience. I had someone reach out today and they kept trying to tell me how much they really did love me and how much they wanted to be with me. And all I could keep thinking, I gave you years of my life. And so why now? Why now? Is it because you miss the loyalty? Is it because you miss my hand? Is it because you miss all the things that I did for you and now you can't find another me? I love you. I love you is a word that so many people just throw around, but they don't understand the heart of it. Because real love doesn't leave you confused. It doesn't leave you broken. It doesn't have you questioning your worth every time they walk in or out of your life. It's not inconsistent. It doesn't make you feel small so that they can feel big and they can feel like they got it going on. Sometimes, again, people say, I love you because it sounds good, because it keeps you around. But love without truth is manipulation. And it hurts because you gave from your pure heart, from a pure place. You meant every word you said because you showed it by your actions. You showed up. You forgave when you shouldn't have, time and time again. And all along, they were there for what your love gave them, not for who you were. How many of you can relate to that? How many of you have experienced that? But here's what I want you to hear and what I want you to know. Not everyone who touches your heart is meant to keep your heart. They're not meant to keep it. They're not meant to stay in your life. See, you got to recognize the counterfeit. Counterfeit love always exposes itself in time because real love doesn't just speak, it acts. Love is an action word. How many of you can look at the relationships or the friendships that you have right now, especially right now with all the things that's going on? How many of you can really see love? See, real love protects your name when you're not in the room. It covers your flaws instead of using them as weapons against you. Love is patient. It's kind. It's consistent. 1 Corinthians 13 style love. And when someone says they love you, but they don't protect your peace, they don't protect your name, they don't honor your name, they don't honor your loyalty, they don't respect your boundaries, and they never pour back into you. That, my friend, is not love. That's selfishness dressed in emotions. Emotions. They emotionally love you, but their actions doesn't show that. And maybe you've been sitting there wondering, how could they say they love me, but yet they still hurt me? How can they say they love me when they see I have a need, something that they can fulfill, but yet they won't even reach out to help? Because some people don't know the difference between love and attachment. They attach to what makes them feel seen, but they leave when no longer feeds their ego or no longer feels or lines their pocket, or you're no longer a benefit to them. See, people always have an agenda. Most people, for the most part, have an agenda. See, you were the mirror that showed them what real love could look like. They just weren't ready to see themselves that way. And the painful truth is this: it wasn't your job to make them ready. It's not. And so often we think we can fix people. Well, if I just do a little bit more of this, if I just give a little bit more, they'll stick around and they'll love me like I want to be loved. No. Is it because you don't want to be lonely that you extend yourself in overcompensating love that you never receive back in return? See, it wasn't your responsibility to teach someone how to love you when they didn't even love themselves. Think about it. The person that broke your heart, the person that has walked away, can you honestly say with a pure heart that they really love themselves? Because a person that don't love themselves could never love you. And sometimes God will allow the counterfeit to fall away so the genuine can find you. Will you wait on the genuine to come in your life? Because God never intended for your heart to be played with. He intended for it to be cherished, for it to be loved like he loves you. And that heartbreak you feel right now for the person that walked away, the person that mistreated or mishandled your loyalty, your faithfulness, that's God closing a door that was never meant to be open again. Never. 1 John, I want to say 3:18 reminds us, love isn't proven by what people say, but by what they do. Love is an action word. God's love was never just words, it was sacrifice for you. And that's your reminder you are worthy of that same kind of love. He sacrificed his only begotten son, Jesus Christ, for you and I. Love, a love that covers, not exposes us. One that gives, not drains. One that's rooted in truth, not convenience. You don't have to beg for what's genuine. When love is real, it shows up consistently, intentionally, and without confusion. It won't break you. It won't be a counterfeit. So I just come to share with you. Don't chase the one who said they loved you. Thank God for showing you they never did. And I know right now it hurts because you thought it would be something long-term. You thought it would be somebody that would stay in your life. But sometimes rejection is God's redirection to the person that he really has for you. And when God removes what wasn't real, it's only to make room for what's pure, for the one that is your purpose partner, the one that will love you with a pure heart, with pure intentions, not looking for anything in return, but your love. That's all. Healing starts the moment you stop replaying the lie. I love you. I love you. And you start believing the truth. You are still worthy of real love. And I don't know who broke you. I don't know. I understand the pain because I've been broken too. And to have that call from somebody, I love you. I love you. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Because if you did, you would have cherished the intimate times that we had together and we would still be together. So let them go in peace. And let God heal the places their false love broke in you. Because the next time love finds you real love, it won't have to convince you it's real. You'll know it. So I just come to encourage you. I know you may be broken by broken relationships, and I know that you want love. And I know right now, I don't know, I just feel like this is what brought this song. I heard that song, What Do the Lonely Do at Christmas? And it's like, oh God. I sat there and I talked to Jesus about that thing because I'm like, the devil's a lie. Didn't I have that phone call? No. I know you may be lonely in this season, and I know you want love, but I want you to know, listen, let people love you with their actions, not just in word, not in just what they say. They said they loved you, but they never did. And you know that. If you really dig deep down in your heart, you really know that. So let God bring the person that was meant to be your purpose partner, your destiny partner, your alignment partner. Let God bring that person in your life. So you got to let go. Even though it hurts, let go. Remember, they said they loved you, but they never did. They did nothing but hurt you. I pray that you are blessed by this. I pray that you are encouraged to allow God to bring your purpose partner who will truly love you for who you are in your life. If you are in love, or you want to be in love, or you believe that God will bring you love, I want you to drop down in a comment, love like Christ loved me. Simply, love like Christ loved me. It was a sacrificial love, a love that gave without you giving anything back in return. I pray that you will bless my sister and brother. Listen, rest well tonight. Shalom.